All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about new tools. All right, so first off, everything in this video I bought, and some of them twice, sometimes even 3 times. So let's get into it. First one I'm going to talk about, well, we're going to talk about replacement tools. Now, I did a video a while ago about, losing tools, but I've lost some tools, had some tools damaged, so I've had to rebuy some, mostly lost. But first one, I can't show you because I lost it again. 13 millimeter impact 1/4 inch. I lost it, don't know where I lost it. Bought a new one. Was working on a Volkswagen and went to pull the socket out with an extension, and it popped off and went. I have no idea. I spent probably 30 minutes looking for it, covers down, looking on frame rail, could not find it. So I'm waiting for that tool to come in because Robbie, my tool dealer, hasn't gotten a restocking of that socket yet since I bought the last one. So I can't get that one. Let's talk about some other tools I've had to rebuy. All right, these are both from Matco. Panel clip tools. Bigger one, used to be Snap-on. Yeah, disappeared. No idea where it went to. And a smaller panel clip tool. Again, no idea where it went to. Just disappeared. Love missing tools like that. Next one is a replacement tool. So we had a former employee here who didn't last that long. And I suspect, can't prove it, but he kept some of the pieces from my slide hammer kit. It's a Cornwell kit. I don't have a Cornwell dealer. Now I could have sat there and got the individual parts from Matco or somebody else, but in the meantime, because almost everybody in the shop uses my slide hammer kit in the upper shop except Cole, who finally got his own. Yeah, one of my adapters was bent, trying to press a CV axle in, and the other one, well, stripped out. So I was like, screw it. I got a brand new one from Matco that I know I can get parts for, get it warranted if I need to, because, Robbie's not going anywhere. So I got a Matco kit. Basically the same kit I had, just Matco name on it, and I don't have to worry about not being able to warranty it. The joys of borrowing tools. Billy's the one that put the nail in the coffin on that Cornwell tool. He's not, he was not like, hiding it. He walked over to me and go, pull the threads out of the adapter. I'll buy you a new one. And I'm like, no, don't worry about it. It's been abused. Ain't that worried about it. So appreciate that, Billy, because, it's how it should be. Next one, because we temporarily have a Snap-on dealer. We're supposed to get a brand new dealer, but right now we've got a dealer that is servicing us in the meantime till our new dealer starts and gets trained. But anyway, I got some stuff warranted from Snap-on. Little wobble extension, 1/2 inch to 3/8, and 3/4 to 1/2 inch. Yes, I broke a 3/4 to 1/2 inch socket. Broke it, which testament to Matco's ADV hex is that didn't break with my 3/4 impact. My Snap-on adapter did. So, just saying. Last set of, replacement tools. My Snap-on 45-degree pliers just disappeared. I don't know why I'm losing tools. For some reason right now I'm losing a lot of tools. I just am. Grab this one off the Mack truck because I use a 45-degree needle nose all the time. So I got this one off the truck. Part number is P114BN, and I had him order a Knipex, whatever. Part number 28-280, made in Germany. And I like the Mack better. But I've got 2 now because I didn't have 2 before. I only had the one Snap-on, so I was kind of SOL, but I my go-to now is the Mac. But I've got the Nip-X to back me up. Also on that note, with my Mac dealer, if you remember a video I did about an irreplaceable tool, it's a Lyle branded air hammer bit with brass extensions. My Mac dealer had got new ones machined for me. So as you can see, I've already used it. Use this one. Haven't used this one yet, but thanks to my Mac dealer, I now have these back, which awesome. All right, now let's get in some actual new tools. So first off, I think I got these off of the JTC truck. They are BMW hood extensions. What it allows you to do is you take the hood strut off, put this on, and it raises the hood more, so you have more access. If you have ever dealt with the BMWs with the hooks of death in the hoods, that the hood doesn't really open that much, ow. So got these. Haven't actually used them. I haven't had a job that were really needed those, but I've got them now. So Bam Bam uses his all the time. Also, I got this off the JTC truck, is Chrysler transmission dipstick. I actually didn't have one of these, which is odd, but Bam Bam luckily did, so I borrowed his. Got my own. It's for measuring the trans fluid on 6F24, AW60T, 94.8TE, 9HP48, bunch of different Chrysler transmissions, something you need. I got me one. All right, off the Mac truck, and I don't know if I've talked about these in another video. Part number for these is BHC 96420, hose clamp pliers. Now these are probably the best hose clamp pliers I have ever used. Now how these work is you put it on the hose, you clamp it down, and the clamp comes down and locks, and it locks. Most of the hose clamp pliers I've used, gear wrench, suck. The gear wrench ones wear out really quickly and no longer hold. Their hose clamp pliers do the same thing. They work for a little while and then they just don't hold, so you wind up, you basically might as well use a pair of pliers. So these are awesome. All right, last two tools are, well, specialty tools. BMW, and these are off the JTC truck, by the way. Part number 4025. I believe this is for BMW fuel pump rings, which are the plastic ones that suck. And this is part number 4024 from JTC. It is for a Volvo. We had a Volvo fuel pump that needed to be done, and we wound up having to put a new lock ring on it, well, because it got tore up because we didn't have the tool. We work on a good bit of Volvos, so it comes in handy. And always, nice to have the right tool. So I hope you liked my new tools. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.